everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to do something completely different, off the wall kind of thing. I've been playing with the alcohol inks and I've been having some fun. You guys are going to have to let me know what you think though. Let me know in the comments, give me a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, anything to help me out. But I'll show you what I've been doing and then we'll get on to creating something. So there's one of my first ones I did. Alcohol inks and blending solution, which is this guy right here. That's how I did that, using one of these foam stamps and alcohol inks with my new little battery operated airbrush. This isn't actually my second one. I have a black one I use for my acrylics and this one I'm leaving exclusively for my alcohol inks, so I don't mess it up with a bunch of paint because my black one's got paint all over it. So there's the first one. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, you guys. Then I did this guy here. Got a thing for flowers, of course. I don't know if you're getting a glare from my light. Sorry about that if you are. What do you think? Am I on to something? Then we got this one here, which is also some more flowers. Sorry, I'm not even center. You can tell I haven't been videotaping for a little while. I've been too busy playing with my inks. And then we have this guy, which the background is all alcohol inks. The flowers are done with alcohol inks mixed in with this Tri-Art liquid glass. Look, I got little tubs here with the colors in it. That's how I did the top flower section of this one. So I swiped down the alcohol inks and then I added the flowers in using the alcohol inks, the Tri-Art liquid glass, and where's my little pen here? This is a little alcohol pen. I don't want to get it on my, but it's got a little brush on it if you can see. So that's what I used. Alcohol inside the body of this pen, use the paints, and away we went. Okay, so we'll put these guys aside. I'll show you what I just did just 10 minutes ago. Excuse me. To me, these look like planets, and I'm going to add them onto an acrylic painting. There's one. And there's the other one. Both done with the alcohol inks. And I did a reverse dip, believe it or not, or a dip technique like Fiona does with her acrylics. I put the alcohol down, flip this over. As you can see, the back is real messy. And that's how I got that creation. All right, let's try and do another one and see how they turn out. Let me just put those aside. Now this is just, sorry, this isn't just regular paper. This is Nara paper. It's a synthetic paper used for alcohol inks. That's what I'm using for these. So if you did this on a regular piece of paper, it won't work. You have to have a synthetic paper. Okay, so I got two Naras right here. And these are, what size are these? 10 inches. I got two 10 inches here. Okay, I'll put this aside. Give me 2 seconds to organize. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've got my little air blower to blow the alcohol around if I decide to do that. But I'm going to just wing it and see what we create. Okay, hun, hit some music. Let's have a little bit of fun. Let's create a masterpiece.
Say a prayer and we'll let it go. Slip sliding down the rabbit hole of this 21st century mind. Ooh, just when you think you've grown up, turn around and you'll find yourself back on square one. Isn't this fun? The tricks we play, the way we stay the same. And I just wanna be around you all the time. I just wanna be around. see you're not there. You don't feel, you don't care. It's so hard to bear. Smiles on the outside, fears on the inside, wrapped around your finger. I just linger. Oh, slip sliding down the rabbit hole of this 21st century hope. Yeah, I'll keep my cards real close. That's how I cope when I find myself still on square one. Don't say we're done, but wanting more than you do's no fun. And I just wanna be around you all the time. I just wanna be around you all the time. I just wanna be around you all the time. I just wanna be around you all the time. Oh, I got a twitch in my eye, and it's been there for weeks because I worry all day about why we don't speak, why you won't come around. I'm easy to find. It's not like you're busy. I'm just not on your mind. Not on your mind. And I just wanna be around you all the time. I just wanna be around you all the time. I just wanna be around you all the time. Couple days, just a couple days. That's all it takes these days. Eh, on ton te dom ti, on ton te do, on ton te dom ti, on ton te dom. Eh, on ton te dom ti, on ton te do, on ton te dom ti, on ton te dom. Maybe I got someplace to go. Ever think about that? Maybe I'm just lost again. Yeah, I think about that. All of a sudden, it's time to think again. So before I sink back to my senses, I would like to run away. 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 Eh, on ton te dom ti, on ton te do, on ton te dom ti, on ton te dom. I'm looking for a place that's infinitely hipper than where I've been. I'm craving a nice space, I've had the right pace, yeah. This small time drama when no one thinks they're me. Let me tell you something, none of us are clean. I would like to run away. 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 Eh, on ton te dom ti, on ton te do, on ton te dom ti, on ton te dom. Eh, on ton te dom ti, on ton te do, on ton te dom. Now a mind at sea is a clever endeavor, 'cause feeling's a buried treasure. Surprise you find, disappointment mired in rage. And now it's all a wash. How do people have so much to say? I can barely think sometimes. And I would like to run away. I would like to run away. I would like to run away.
I just wanna fight for a cause. If I get to know my purpose, I don't know if I'll like it or not. God, I know that you're the answer. When I'm searching my mind, I forgot. When I'm walking through the fire, I just look toward the light when it's hot. You and I know the easy does it. I want real meaning, no easy love. If I wait in your time, wouldn't it be enough? I've been thirsting for answers, I'm looking up. God, I know you're my portion, please fill my cup. You said that you meant that I ain't giving up. No throwing the cards and no packing my stuff. Won't stop when I fall, cause I saw what you did when you gave up your life and you bought me with blood, bought me with love. I can't give up, I can't give up. Yeah, you say your plans for me, turn my mess to a melody. You got good plans for me. I know what my stance will be. I got strength cause you stand for me. Yeah, you got good plans for me.